Welcome back to my channel Get Glam by Sarvani. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Some of the viewers keep on asking me the best drugstore foundation brand. So I keep on telling them only one brand that I love so much. So today I decided to share my favorite drugstore foundation brand, which is none other than PAC. So I decided to give you full review of the PAC foundation with pros and cons and with demo. I am giving the demo without using any powder or concealer. So let us see how much coverage it gives. I just completed my eye makeup and I applied some lipstick. So I don't have any base makeup. I just have some moisturizer. So without any further ado, let us jump into the video. Let us see first how the bottle looks. Here comes the PAC foundation. It looks like this. It is a glass bottle and it has one lid. Again, we have to turn this knob so that we can get the foundation. Knob is so sturdy, so it is best for traveling and it has low chance of getting leaked. First of all, PAC is an Indian makeup brand, so that's why I love PAC foundation. Not only foundation, it has various range of concealers, lipsticks, pressed glitters and everything. Even beauty blenders and eyelashes too. Coming back to foundation, it has 22 shades which are very good for Indian skin tone. Price is 875 rupees only. It basically suits for oily skin. So with the application of primer and powder, PAC foundation was looking fantastic on oily skin. It is light to medium and buildable high coverage foundation. It is also non-acnegenic and it has the low chances of getting breakouts and acne. We can't say that it is dewy foundation or matte foundation. It's the combination of both dewy and matte. Both oily skin and the combination skin just love this foundation. If you have got some regular breakouts like everybody and want some glow on your face, just go for it. Best for the ignorance of flashbacks. Many foundations have some SPF so that the face reflects the flashbacks when the camera is on. So it has the best ignorance of flashback light. And the best thing about PAC is it is cruelty free. It also contains no sulfates or parabens. Coming back to cons, it is a bit difficult to very oily skin or very dry skin. And we also can't say that it is too affordable or it is high end. So it is in between the affordable and the high end. And it is not so long wearing in summers. Basically, for combination skin, it stays up to 6 to 8 hours. So let us jump into the foundation demo. Now I am applying Color Bar Primer on my T-zone area. I am just taking a pea size. Just blurs the pores on the T-zone area. So now the application of foundation. I am showing you half of my face so that you can get to know how much the coverage gives you. I am also applying under my eyes, skipping the concealer. So let us see. You can see the difference literally without foundation and with foundation. The coverage is good even without concealer. If you have dark blemishes and dark acne scars, you have to apply the concealer. Those who want sheer coverage, you can go for it. Never ever forget your hairline and the neck. It looks great even without concealer. And I didn't even use the dampened sponge too. The coverage looks great. That's why I love the PAC foundation. You can see if you want more coverage under your eyes, take some foundation and apply under your eyes. Even with your fingers, setting with my fingers so that it looks even. See the coverage. I can say it is a little similar to MAC foundations. So those who want to buy MAC foundation but it costs a bit, so you can try this PAC foundation. It is similar in texture and coverage. I can't say it is dupe for MAC foundation, but it is more similar to MAC foundation. So you can check it out and buy the PAC foundation. Guys, this is my review on PAC foundation with demo. So if you want to know more of the products reviews, please don't hesitate to comment in my comment box. If you are not following my Instagram page, please follow Get Glam by Sarvani as I am mostly active on it. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and press the bell icon to not miss an update from my channel. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share it to your friends. If you see these type of videos, please comment me in the comment section below. Until then, I am signing off. Bye.